In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Spotify playlist in Notion. By the end, you'll have your favorite music living right inside your Notion workspace, ready to play without leaving your notes or dashboard. First, let's grab what we need from Spotify. Open Spotify on your desktop app or web player, navigate to the playlist, album, or song you want, and click the three dots next to its title. Hover over Share. Here you have two options: copy link to playlist, which gives you a simple URL, or embed playlist, which provides an embed code. Both work in Notion, but the link is the quickest option and is all you need for a clean embed. The embed code gives you a bit more control over appearance if you prefer that. If you're sharing a playlist with others, make sure it's set to be shareable or public so it loads correctly for them. Now switch over to your Notion page and decide exactly where you want the player to appear. Place your cursor there, type /embed, and press enter. This creates an embed block and opens a field where you can paste content from other apps. Using the / command keeps your page tidy and ensures Notion treats what you paste as an embedded media block rather than plain text. With the embed block ready, paste either the Spotify link you copied or the embed code from Spotify into the field. Then click Embed Link. Notion will fetch a live Spotify player and display it directly on the page. You should now see the playlist artwork and controls. Give it a moment to load the first time, especially if your connection is slow. Once it appears, try pressing play to confirm everything works. You can drag the corners of the embed to resize it and fit your page layout. If the player doesn't show, double check that you pasted the full link, not a shortened preview, and that you selected the correct item from Spotify's Share menu. If you pasted an embed code, ensure you copied the entire snippet. Switching to the plain link often resolves display issues. That's all there is to it. Get the link or embed code from Spotify, add an embed block in Notion with the / command, then paste and confirm with embed link. It's a quick workflow you can repeat for different playlists, albums, or songs, and it's perfect for study dashboards, team hubs, or creative mood boards. Enjoy building a workspace that sounds as good as it looks.